All right, inserting a document into your website is very similar to inserting a presentation. So again, I'm going to show you this assuming that you know how to do a Google Doc and create a Google Doc. And so what we're going to do is go into our documents, and I'm going to create a new document just for the sake of this showing you this. Okay, so I'm going to title it Trial Document for the website. All right. All right, again, you're going to want to make sure your share settings are on public. That way people don't have to sign in when they see your document. Okay, so public on the web, save, and then just hit done. You can go back to your website. Now, assuming that you've already created your presentation or your documents and things that you're going to want to insert onto this page. Now, you can create links to documents as well if you want your students to be able to access those instead of just embedding it straight into a website. This is just showing you how to embed it into a website. And so we're just going to go to edit this page. I'm going to go to insert document, trial document for website, hit select, and this has been acting up. There it is. Okay, so this is the trial document for the website, and then I'm going to hit save, and again, you're not going to see it, but it will be there. And then you hit save, and there is your document. Now, the cool thing about Google Docs is I can go back into this. Let's say this is notes, for example. And you had a spelling error in your notes, okay? Now, typically, if you are going to put your notes on a website, you would attach this as a Word document. But Google Docs, you don't have to do that. And so you'll see that as I hit refresh here, my changes are in effect, and you can see my spelling error in my notes. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in and I'm just going to change that. Okay, I'm going to fix my spelling error. It saves automatically. So back on my website, as my kids are accessing my site, now my spelling error is correct. Another example is, let's say you're going to add something the following year. Okay. The cool thing about Google Docs is you don't have to go back in and re-upload that file. Those changes automatically take effect. And so when somebody accesses your notes or whatever this document is, there it is. Okay? Automatically changes as you change with your document. Now, an example, if you want to do it this way, instead of going back into your website and always changing your weekly schedule, okay, so what we're going to do is, this is someone reading. Okay, and you can even go as far as to creating links here. So let's say we're going to do a science experiment. Okay, and so I just want to say this is their directions. I can go into my document. That's highlighted. I'm going to create a link. Paste my link. Click OK. And now, as I go back to my classroom, my kids have come into my website, and there is the link to their experiment. And so you can create links, you can do whatever you want on these documents, and you never have to update your site because as you update it on here, it'll automatically go to your website. So pretty cool way to include Google Documents into your website.